And this little package here is $4.99 worth of mystery tech from AliExpress. What's up everybody, it's PJ the Great. I hope you're having a super beautiful day. And I decided to bite. There's been a lot of tech YouTubers doing the mystery tech, like Austin Evans, and the mystery tech boxes you get from Wish or AliExpress. I bit and did it for $4.99 mystery tech from AliExpress. And a lot of the reviews on the website, a lot of people are saying, wow, I can't believe I got a tablet. It's like a tablet to you? I was one of the unfortunate. I don't know what it is. I decided that I would try it out and open it up on camera, and maybe you and I can get a good laugh out of what I wasted $5 and 3 weeks of waiting for. So let's find out. All right. AliExpress, what kind of mystery tech did you get your boy? A USB power plug that I can't even use in the United States. That was like the shortest lived video in the history of this channel. So my recommendation would be stay away from $4.99 mystery tech boxes from AliExpress, or you might get stuck with something you can't even use. I can't even give this away to anybody because you can't use it in America. Wasted $5. That's where I'm at right now until I find a job and I can buy real stuff to review. I'm uploading this video anyway. If you like this video, do me a favor and give it a big old thumbs up. If you hated it, you can give it a thumbs down. I don't blame you if you give it a thumbs down, but no matter what you do, don't forget to click that subscribe button and click the bell right next to it so you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. And I have no words. That's the end of this video. Check out my gaming streams on Twitch. I'm gonna stream here sometimes too, but mainly on Twitch. Audi 5000 G. The hell am I supposed to do with this?